Hello everybody and welcome back to Maths Miss Buick. This is the fourth video within financial maths and it is the third example within instalment savings. So here we have Neve has saved to buy a car. She saved an equal amount at the beginning of each month at 4% AER. Part A. Show that the rate of interest compounded monthly, which is equivalent to AER of 4% is 0.327%. So let's begin the question by firstly memorising our formula for this. So the formula is 1 plus R power 12 is equal to 1 plus I. So 1 plus R to the power 12 is equal to 1 plus I. The R represents the monthly and the I represents the yearly. So we're going to take our 4%, which is yearly, convert it into a decimal, and then we'll put that into the formula for the I and we'll solve for R, and it should be 0.327% when we are finished. So 4% is 0.04. So let's put that in. We have 1 plus R to the power 12 is equal to 1.04. And then we're going to get the 12th root at this side in order to cancel out our power of 12. So 1 plus R is equal to the 12th root of 1.04. And then let's bring over the 1 and make it a negative. So we have R is equal to the 12th root 1.04 minus 1. So we'll put this in the calculator and we'll see what we get. So the 12th root of 1.04 minus 1. So here we have it typed in the calculator and we have this number here. So 3.2737 by 10 to the minus 3. And of course this here is decimal, so we must bring that to percentage. So let's multiply by 100. And we get this, exactly what we wanted. So okay, first part of the question done. So we got back to 0.327%. Part B. Neve has €15,000 in the account at the end of 36 months. How much has she saved each month? So first of all, we're going to identify that we have 36 payments. So we have the formula F is equal to P 1 plus I to the power of T, because we know we're saving for the future, so it's the F formula. And from this, we have to know what is P, what is I, and what is T. Well, we know anyway that because she had saved for 36 months, our T is 36. We know that I is the interest, which we previously worked out, so we have 0.327%, and of course that in decimal notation will be 0.00327, so let's write that down, 0.00327, and then the value of the P is what we're trying to find. Okay, so we're trying to find that value, so let's put a question mark on that. So let's begin by forming our geometric series. So our F value is 15,000 because we know that's how much money she has saved. So now let's put in our P as it is, 1.00327 power of 1. So we can see here T is 1, plus P 1.00327 power 2. And we're not going to do 36 of these, so we put a dot in between, 0.00327 power of 36. Okay, now from this then we can deduct what is our A, our R and our N for our geometric sequence formula. So here is our A, which is the first term. So we have our A, our R and our N. Well, the A is as above, P 1.00327. It is our first term in our series. You can see it's term number 1, or R is our common ratio. What are we multiplying each term by to get the next term? And we can see it's the bracket, so 1.00327, and our N is 36 installments. That's that part done. Next of all, we're going to input these into our geometric sequence formula. So we have Sn is equal to A 1 minus R to the power of N all over 1 minus R. So let's input this. Well, we know that Sn is the sum of the total number of terms, of 36 terms in our case, and it's 15,000. So we're going to write down 15,000 is equal to our A, which is this. So we're solving here for P, as you can see. 1 is in the formula, as you can see here, and the R is your common ratio. Power 36 all over 1 minus 1.00327. Next of all, we're going to solve for the P. So we can see here that this is being divided here, so we're going to multiply it up over here. But if we take 1 minus 1.00327, of course we're going to get negative 0.00327. So that's what we'll bring up. We'll bring up a negative 0.00327 up here and multiply it by our 15,000. We're going to equal that then to all of this. Okay, now we're going to go to our calculator and get a number for all of this side here. And of course, we might as well get a number for this as well. So we'll do 15,000 multiplied by minus 0.00327. And we get out there a negative number, so we get negative 49.05. And we equal that to P. And then let's put this in the calculator. But just be really careful when you put that in the calculator. Please make sure you put brackets exactly how you see it in the question. Typing it in here, and we get out another negative, so we get minus 0.12512. And now we're going to get a value for the P by dividing this over here. So let's divide both sides by that. So let's divide this, and this should be our answer then. Make it out €392 and 2 cents is equal to P. We're done. Now, of course, in the question, if they asked you to the nearest euro, you'd be saying 392. So be careful of that as well. Often in questions, they can trick you out by saying complete the answer to nearest euro or 2 dozen places. So be careful there.